Hi Prep CD, welcome to our phonics lesson for the week. Let's have a look at what we're going to be learning today. So our learning intention is we are learning to read and write the letter S and make its most common sound. So for you to be successful in our lesson today, you are going to learn how to write a capital S, you're learning how to write a lowercase s, and make the sound for a letter S. So I have got my capital and my lowercase s here, and we already know when we use a capital and a lowercase letter. So let's have a look at my capital S first. Now a capital letter is always a little bit bigger than our lowercase letter that we know. So this is a capital S. Now when I go like this, I'm going to say something, and when I do this, I want you to repeat what I say at home. So let's try this together. This is a capital S. Your turn. This is a capital S. Excellent. This is a lowercase s. Your turn. This is a lowercase s. Good job. Now, we know that the name of both of these letters is S. So my turn first. This is the letter S. Your turn. This is the letter S. Excellent. Now we know that all letters make a sound. So let's have a look at what sound the letter S makes. So I'm going to use my actions like from our Jolly Phonics videos, and I'm sure you all remember those. So my turn first. The S says S. Your turn. The S says S. Excellent. So when we see a letter S in a word, we know we're going to hear the sound S. So I'm going to do that first. Now I want you to have a turn. Ready? S, S, S. Your turn. S, S, S. Excellent sounds. Now, we know that these sounds are in words. So let's have a look at some words that have that letter S sound S in them. Okay, so my first word that I have is the word sun. Can you see that letter S at the start? Sun. Now, the first sound I hear in that word is S, sun, sun. So, let's see if you can have a go at reading this word with me. Sun. Excellent. Okay, my next word I've got is the word slide. What's the first sound in that word? Slide. That's right, it's S. The first sound in the word slide is S, and I've got my letter S there. Okay, the next word I have is sleep. Sleep. What's the first sound I hear in the word sleep? That's right, S. Sleep. Excellent. And our last word today is the word star. Star. What's the first sound I hear in the word star? That's it. S. The first sound in the word star is S. Can you say this word with me? Star. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to have a look at writing our letter S. So we're going to use our fingers to write in the air first, and then you will need your piece of paper and pencil to have a little go with me at writing the letter S. Okay, let's get our fingers out. We're going to have a go at writing a capital S first. So remember, when I write my letters, I know I always start at the top. So starting at the top, snake around, down, little flick. That's a capital S. Let's do another one. Starting at the top, snake around, and there we have another capital S. Can you have a go by yourself? Show me a capital S with your finger. Fabulous, well done. Okay, let's have a look at our lowercase s now. Now remember, it's just like a capital S, only smaller. So always starting at the top, snake around. That's a lowercase s. Well done. Let's do another one. Start at the top, snake around. Another lowercase s. Can you draw one for me? A lowercase s. That's it. Well done. Great S's. Now, this is where we're going to use our pen, and we're going to practice writing a letter S. So I'm going to show you some first, and then I'm going to set you a job to have a go at writing some by yourself. So let's start with our capital S. So I know that I always start my letters at the top. Excellent. So capital S. I start at the top, and I'm going to snake around. So just like we're drawing a snake. So watch mine first. Starting at the top, I snake around, curve back down, and I have a capital S. Let's do one more. Watching me, starting at the top, snake around, curve to the bottom, and I have a capital S. Let's have a look at our lowercase s now. Remember, it's just like a capital S, only smaller. So I start at the top, snake around, and there's my lowercase s. Let's do one more. Starting at the top, around, snake around, and there's my lowercase s. Now, your job before you go on to your next activity, I want you to have a go at writing some capital and lowercase s's, remembering to start at the top and snake around. You can do this on your piece of paper, or if you have some chalk, you can have a practice outside, as long as you're practicing how to write them. And I will see you in our next video. Bye everyone!